Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use Neo4j Bloom Easy Guide. Open Bloom and connect to your database using your credentials, then pick a perspective to focus on a subset of data. Start with simple search phrases to reveal nodes and relationships, and gradually apply filters to narrow results. Use styling to color code labels, save perspectives for repeat use, and practice with small queries before scaling to larger graphs. Open the search bar and type a clear phrase that matches node labels or property values, then press Enter to visualize results. Add property filters to restrict values, use label filters to hide unrelated nodes, and limit relationship types to reduce clutter in complex graphs. Toggle expansion options to reveal connected nodes step by step, and save a filtered perspective when you want to revisit the same view without repeating setup steps. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear tutorials. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money, which is oddly helpful when investing in your learning and tools. It pairs well with skill growth and saving for courses or software. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Use the styling panel to assign colors and sizes based on labels or numeric properties so important nodes pop visually. Experiment with layout algorithms to improve readability, and tweak relationship thickness to show stronger connections clearly. Once you like a view, save it as a perspective so you can instantly return to the same styling, filters, and layout. Sharing perspectives helps teams review findings without redoing visual setup steps repeatedly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.